Hello, my friends. Victor Dantas here. How are you? About 3 weeks ago, our team at Power Pages Plus recorded a video describing the features of our newest template, Pages 365 Customer Service. The focus of that video was a little bit more commercial. Today, I want to take some time to talk about the technical aspects of this particular template. This template is built on the Power Pages Enhanced Data Model, and it's using some of the latest features that are made available through it. So let's talk about it a little bit. The homepage, the page that you see here, is available for both unauthenticated and authenticated users. And it provides a search box that allows users to search all the contents that are available on Power Pages search index. And we are leveraging the AI Summarization API here through a custom control. So let me show you an example. If a user types shipping, we are then inquiring the AI summarization to create a result that's user-friendly, but still leverage information that's available in the backend. So for this example, the custom control came back with a result of that's based on in one knowledge base article. So we'll take a look at it, click here on the details, and users will be able to see the contents of these knowledge base articles. They'll be able to print and then come back if they would like to. Now, for authenticated users, we have prepared a dashboard screen. So it gives users a visual cue as to how their cases are going, in which stage of resolution are they positioned. So we have active cases by status, cases by priority, and cases per channel, and broken out by statuses. Now we are using a lightweight chart library called chart.js, but we are still pulling information from the D365 customer service table. So we are looking at the case table, knowledge base articles, so on and so forth. So this entire template is built on out-of-the-box tables, okay? We have a similar user experience here for search. In this example, I just put a keyword coffee, and the AI Summarization API created a paragraph here with a result that's based on 5 knowledge base articles, as you can see. So if the user wants to see more details, they can click on it and navigate there. So down below here, if you are familiar with Power Pages, you see that we are using the Power Pages modern list. So we are leveraging out-of-the-box components as much as we can. And with it, we are able to provide to the end user right from the get-go access to AI insights. So if the user clicks on this button, they will see a little chart and a summary of the highlights of this particular result set. Okay. One of the things that's available through the modern list is that I can search using natural language. So I could do something like this: list all cases with keyword brew 300. And let's see how it performs. Alrighty. Okay, so instead of creating a new view or trying to accomplish this with another type of mechanism, we are giving the user the ability to use natural language as they search for results. Hey friends, one last thing that I wanted to show you. Companies implementing customer portals have one goal in mind, which is to optimize the time of their workforce. And one of the strategies that companies use for that is investing in case deflection on an external customer portal. Legacy portals have invested on this feature by implementing an exact keyword search. Now, those types of searches are not precise, and often they don't provide the results that end customers want. So we have redesigned that strategy using AI. In this case, we are tapping into the AI Summarization API to provide case deflection features. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So if I type cancellation here, it should look for some options before the users proceed to create a case. So in this scenario, it created a small paragraph indicating that there is a way to pursue or advance in this particular request here when it comes to cancellation. So maybe if the user reads the knowledge base article associated with cancellation, it will provide all the details that they want and they don't need to create a case. So we have implemented AI here as a strategy to enhance the case deflection for customers, okay? Finally, my friends, this site is built on the enhanced data model, which means that you get ALM fully based on Power Platform solutions. This site is also built based on the blank template, which means that you don't have any extra customization besides what it's really needed to run this site. If you like what you saw today, please contact me. You can PM or use the contact information that is available on this post. All right, take care. Bye bye.